Now see, here are three situation is given. You have to tell. Okay, you have to tell which of the children show honest behavior. Honest means reliable, good behavior. Now see, first Afrin borrow a pencil from Minu. Afrin is a one girl. She is like you, and he borrow pencil. She don't have a pencil, no. That's why she borrow the pencil from her friend Minu. And after she finished using it, she returned it. She said thank you to Menu, and she returned this pencil to her. This means Afrin showing good behavior, no? She is showing honesty. Honestly, she returned the pencil of the Menu. So Afrin is a good child. An honest child. She returned pencil to the Menu. Second, Shama fell from bicycle, and however she told her mother, Neha pushed me by off the bicycle. What happened? Shama fall down from the bicycle, and when her mother scolded her, when her mother said to her, how did you fall, and you can't ride a bicycle properly. That time she afraid. That time she scared to her mother, and she told to mother, Neha push me. Means she told lie to her mother. No, that's mean Neha is not showing honesty behavior. Okay, she is dishonest. Dishonest is a opposite to honest. So Neha is a dishonest. She is not speaking true. She is speaking lie to her mother. Now see, third, Mary took the bag she found in rickshaw to police station. See, whenever we get unknown things, no, we should not touch that. We should take it from that place, and we have to give this that kind of things to police station. So Mary took the bag, and she whatever she found in a place, and she give this bag to the police station. Means she is doing honest behavior. Okay, she not taken anything, money and all thing from that whatever he found in rickshaw, that bag, and she just directly she take the bag, and she found that bag in rickshaw, and after that she give that bag to the police station. So it is honesty behavior done by Mary. So write here honest. First sentence is showing honesty, second is dishonest, and third is honest. Now let's move ahead. Effect of honest and dishonest behavior. Now what is the effect? Okay, of if our behavior is honest, so what is the useful of that behavior? And if our behavior is dishonest, so what is the adverse effect of that dishonest? So that we are going to see. We do many different things in our day-to-day life, like right? So we do many things every day. Sometimes we make mistake also. Now we are human being, and we are also making mistake. Sometimes we tell lie also. So lots of activity done by us in our day-to-day life. When we realize that we have made a mistake, we should talk about it openly with our friends and family. If something happened with us, and that time if we did any mistake, that and whenever we will realize अरे मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, so that time we have to talk about this. We have to talk about our mistake openly in front of our family and of our friends. So by doing this, we learn to be honest. We should honest. Our behavior with other people should be honest, and find a way to correct our mistake. We should correct our mistake. We have to be honest with the others. We have to our behavior should be good with others. Okay, and if we did any kind of mistake, no, that time we have to speak that mistake openly to our friends and our family members. We should not afraid to accept our faults. Then see, it is also necessary to be honest. Now see, it is necessary to be honest and sincere in our work. We should honest to others. We should sincere in our work, and we must try too hard to keep the trust to any relationship. Like we should trust on our friends and our family members, and never cheat to others. If we are honest in our work, if we are showing honesty in our behavior, so that time we do not have be afraid. Okay, we do not have to scare to anything because we are honest in our work. But if we are dishonest, if we are telling lie, if we are not behaving good with others, that time we lose our self confidence. Then we must be honest at home as well as public place. Everyone respect an honest person. Always remember, honesty is a best policy. Okay, everyone respect to honest person. Okay, people always respect to honest person. No one respect to dishonest person. Okay, झूठे पर्सन को कोई साथ नहीं देता. Okay, honesty is our strength and honesty is a best policy. So we should be honest to the others. We should be honest with others. We should try to accept our mistake, and we should talk about our mistake openly with our friends and family members. And we must try too hard to keep trust in any relationship and never cheat to anyone. Okay, so this are the honest, or this is all about the honest and dishonest behavior. Honest means reliable, सच्चेपन होना. Okay, प्रामाणिक होना. Dishonest means dishonest is a totally opposite of honesty. Okay, dishonest means झूठा होना, झूठा बोलना. Okay, behavior अच्छा ना होना, that is dishonest.